Recently, I made a request to Facebook that please make this as a rule. Remove all anti-Islamic, anti-religious content, because there is a difference between freedom of speech and insulting someone. I was hoping that they will make this as a rule. I was testing their live broadcast with ads, and I earned about $16,000. But they are not making this as a rule that no one can come and monetize their videos on Facebook and go for anti-religious, anti-Islamic content. Whoever is scared right now, they will not protest, but I will not going to do any live monetization till Facebook you make this as a law that no one can do anti-religious stuff in, at least in live video monetization, because views means money now, and many will try to use anti-Islamic content to get more views. The money I earn right now, it's in my revenue, which you all can see easily. It's a huge amount. In 10 or 20 days, I earned about $16,000, which is not less, I guess. If I can give up on that money and stop doing live video monetization, I think all Muslims should not get scared, should protest, because trust me, right now monetization is getting involved and many people will try to disrespect Islam. Rest is in your hand. You can do your analysis that whether I'm telling the truth or I'm just faking it.